Spring is in the air, guys, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a spring tier tree. I'm Marlene, and welcome to my home and garden channel. So today's video is actually a collaboration with Penny from the Penny's Place channel and Grace from the Grace DIY channel. And we're going to be doing spring tier trays, and I'm also going to be doing an Easter vignette as a bonus at the end. Most of the items that I'm using today, they're actually from the dollar store. A few things I actually had them before, and I'm going to incorporate everything. So you'll take a look to see what I came up with, as well as to check out the other ladies' channels, and I'll link it in the description box below. So guys, these are the items that I used. And like I was saying before, most of them are actually from the dollar store. And I'll go through them individually so you can get some ideas on what you can use. So this right here is actually a felt roll. It's 11.75 inches by 48 inches. So it basically covers a reasonably sized table, and of course you can style it with lace or whatever else you may want to put on top of it. Only $1. And just to go close in, this is actually a butterfly. It's actually a little light, so it lights up at night if you want to do that in your display. And I thought it went really well with the colors. And this is my coffee pot, and I'm going to be using to arrange some of the flowers in. I thought the color was very spring-like, and it combined really well with the other things. These right here are some lilies that I got, and I took those off individually because I'm going to be using them as little accents on the display. And I got a card here. I thought the colors matched, for spring, and the whole theme of the watering can with the flowers in it. So I figured I'd incorporate that in there as well. And this is my tier tree right here that I made. Thank you, Anna, for the tip on that. I just used 2 chargers that I got at the dollar store and one of the small vases that they had, and used some, permanent glue and joined them together. And there you have it. That is my tier tray. And next here I got a candle to put in there, and I thought it smelled really nice and it would help to tie everything together. And this is the blessed sign that I got from the dollar store as well. It had a little bit of arrangement on the top of flowers, but I took that off because I just wanted something that had a clean look to combine very well with other things. And those are some little butterflies. They're actually cake toppers. I'm going to be taking the sticks off of those and just using them by themselves. And these right here are some filler flowers that I've had for some time, but they have similar ones at the dollar store too, different shades of purple and pink and so on, so you can always get those to mix and match. And these right here, these are the star of the show, my bunches of lilies. And I thought they looked so nice, so I said yes, I'll definitely be using those. It's very spring-like and very much, puts you in the mind of Easter when you see your Easter lilies. So now guys, we're going to take a look to see how I put them together. And you can tell me in the comments, what you thought of the arrangement. So this is how it came out. And I'll just go through and take a closer look with you at the different, arrangement sections of it. So let's go in now on the first one. And this is my vase. And I arranged one bunch of the lilies in there and some of the filler flowers. And I thought it looked pretty elegant. Didn't need a whole lot more to be done to it. Pretty much speaks for itself right there. And then I thought the butterfly looked really cute right next to it. I put it on the side, and that way you can see it, all the colors, pick up on each other. And those are 2 of the cake toppers that I used. I took the sticks off, like I was saying, and just put them there. A little pair of butterflies going off to the side. And over here, I put the filler flowers along with one of the Easter lilies. And I thought that looked pretty elegant. Of course, you can always put a little bit more fillers in there to make it fuller if you like. And I took one of the single ones again, and I put it off to the side right there, slightly hanging over. And then below that, I put the this blessed sign under there, along with another one going in the opposite direction. So it kind of, balances everything out. And then behind that, I put the candle back there. And then I got the card that I mentioned before. Very spring-like, and a little lonesome butterfly right next to it there. Sure he'll find a friend real soon. And it says, sending caring thoughts your way. So I thought that was very warm. And if you've made it this far in the video, guys, I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell. I do most of my decorating in the colder seasons when I'm not out in my garden. but definitely follow along with me if you would like, to see what I have in store for the future. So that's it right there, guys. So let me know what you thought about this one, if it inspired you in some way to make your own, or if you'd have used different colors, because this is basically for spring going right into Easter. And so over here now, this is my Easter vignette, and I'll just show you the little different parts to it that I have. Over here I had some, these are a little rustic, but that was what I was going for. The candle stands there, and I put the 3 candles on there at different heights. And then here I had some tulips, some white ones. They're not popping as much as I'd like against the white background, but when you're there, it will show a little bit better when you see it right in front of you. And of course the filler flowers are in there. I also have some the little millets that you're seeing at the back there dispersed among it as well. And this sign, I got it from a bookstore some years ago, and it actually lights up, so if you like, you can always plug it in at night. You just look at what's available out there and just make it your own, and see how it works for you. So I hope that this gave you some ideas as how to decorate for spring and for Easter. And now it's time to go over to my garden. So these are some beautiful iris flowers that I have. These are actually Dutch iris from last season, and I wanted to show those to you as well because they come out in the spring, and I thought the color blended in very well with what I was doing for the rest of the video. I'll be doing more gardening videos because the season is warm and nice coming up outside. You can hear the birds singing, it's just wonderful. So I hope that you will join to see those videos in the future as I give you tips and just show you how I take care of my flowers and enjoy them at the same time. So I do thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video inspired you, and I do hope to see you in the next video. I wish you a happy spring and enjoy the rest of your day.